This is a 2010 Infiniti FX35. This vehicle has seating for 5 adults, a 3.5-liter V6, all-wheel drive. Plus, having just come off lease, this Infiniti is in like-new condition. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: 8-way power adjustable seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, a passenger side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a chrome grille, rear impact crumple zones, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 46,000 miles. This Infiniti has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.